guys, it's Annie. I live in McCormick Hall at MIT, and I'm just going to be taking you through a quick tour of my dorm room and what dorm room life is like at MIT. So McCormick Hall is the only all-girls dorm at MIT, and it's very conveniently located. It's near the athletic center. It's not too far from all my classes. It's really close to the student center. It's just very conveniently located. This is the green living room. It's a great place to study or hang out, and sometimes the heads of house will organize study sessions and they will tutor us in math or physics. So McCormick has two main towers, east and west, and also a side building called the Annex, which is where I live. Right now I'm in the east penthouse, which has a great view of Boston and is also a good place to study. Up on the penthouse floor, there's also a workout room, which is really convenient, especially in the cold when I want to work out but don't want to go outside. Also in our dorm, there's a room of computers called an Athena cluster, and here you can just print what you need for your schoolwork or go on the internet. So I live in the Annex, which is east of the East Tower in McCormick, and it's a small building that houses about 20 or 25 people. This is the kitchen, where lots of kids like to make dinner for themselves, and we're gonna take the stairs up to the third floor where we live. So this is my desk. I just have a lot of essentials in here. Pens, pencils, usual stuff. This is my roommate's bed. This is her stuff, and this is my corner that I've decorated. I've organized my stuff into some bins, daily products, food, and some other stuff. Our dressers are pretty spacious. They give us a lot of room for clothes in addition to our closet space. This is my closet. This is my roommate's closet. And we also have a third roommate who lives here. This is her closet and her space. So our room is a triple and it's pretty spacious. The amount of room that they give us is, I'd say, pretty standard for a 3-person room at MIT. Obviously, rooms that hold 1 or 2 people will be considerably smaller than this, and a quad, which holds 4 people, maybe about this size, maybe slightly bigger. But yeah, they gave us all of this furniture, the beds, the desks, the dressers. If you love coffee as much as my roommates and I do, a coffee maker is very useful to have, and all of the coffee essentials. A calendar. Here we have our fridge and snacks on top. In my backpack, I just have a notebook, some pencils and pens, my laptop. This side bed storage is really nice. I like to keep my phone in here while I sleep. That's nice. A lot of under the bed storage is also useful. Something I also like is this. It's a hard surface so that I can do my homework in bed, which is a lot more comfortable than at my desk. As for clothes, Boston is pretty cold, so I have lots of jackets and coats. I recommend a shower caddy with all of your shower essentials. One final college essential is a whiteboard, markers, and erasers, because I prefer doing my homework on whiteboards rather than in pen or pencil on notebook paper. I just find it's more fun and easier. This is the view outside my dorm room during the day. It's really pretty. You can see the Boston skyline as well as the Charles River separating Cambridge and Boston. So every dorm has multiple GRTs, which stand for Graduate Residence Tutors. At McCormick, each floor or each group of 2 floors has the same GRT. Since I live in the Annex, my GRTs are Scott and Ashley. Here's where Scott and Ashley live. Basically, they're just here to make sure that if we have any problems or concerns, we can go to them for help. This is what it looks like when I step outside the dorm. McCormick is really close to the athletic center and classes. So at MIT, freshmen are required to live on campus in one of the 10 dorms, which are Baker, Burton Connor, East Campus, McGregor, Massey, McCormick, Newhouse, Next House, Random, and Simmons. Housing is guaranteed for all 4 years. So each dorm has their own personality and unique culture. So if you decide that MIT is the right school for you, you'll be able to visit all 10 of these dorms, go on tours, and meet students who live in each of them, and you'll be able to decide which dorm is the best fit for you. Dorm culture is pretty big at MIT. Usually students on a floor will get together and hang out. Some floors go on trips together. So that's all you need to know about MIT dorm life. Dorms are a lot of fun here. You meet some of your best friends through the dorm, and I really hope that you learned a lot about dorms at MIT.